there's some really good opinions out of the United States Supreme Court that some were Florida cases that Miller and Graham that deal with that finally technology and the court's understanding that technology of how our brains work, right? The science, if you will, of how our brains work, that men don't mature, some of us much later, until the age of 24, right? And therefore, uh, we no longer sentence juveniles to mandatory terms of life imprisonment. So Florida, we had to vacate many sentences. I had a young guy that was convicted of murder at the age of 17, and he got a mandatory life sentence, and we were able to have that overturned, and to bring his sentence down to, I think, 22 years, because the law said, these kids, their brains are capable of changing, of maturing, of recapturing a proper way of thinking. And so those are some Supreme Court opinions that originated out of Florida that really benefited to defendants and gave us an opportunity to make sure that people were being sentenced appropriately for their crimes and not just given draconian mandatory life sentences.